Hey everyone, just a quick update with what's been happening on site at CH Render this week. So we've been fairly busy on the sales side. We've had a good number of Hiluxes delivered this week going on to their new customers. We've got a couple of Toyota Hiluxes that are in at Vantage Toyota in York, so they're having their services completed over there, and then they can have their Relax 10-year warranty, so they're fully covered. These Hiluxes are going up and down the UK, so it gives them a good peace of mind. So we've managed to buy a couple of other Hiluxes this week. These two are the no VAT on either of these. These are the show vehicles for the shows coming up. So they'll be prepared and they'll be going in the workshops in the coming weeks. So it won't be long now, so we'll be able to get them fully prepared and ready for showing. And service-wise, we've been fairly busy in the service side as well. So we've got a couple of spaces available for next week. So if you have anything service or MOTs or repairs, then just give us a shout and we'll be able to fit you in. We've got courtesy cars available on site. So if you need anything and you're worried about getting back from us, because obviously we are quite rural, then don't worry, we can lend you a loan vehicle which is totally free of charge. So don't forget, we've got the show coming up, which is the first one, which is Driftfield, which is on, I think it's the 22nd of July. So we're in full preparations for that. We've got tons and tons and tons of stock that we cannot physically show you on our website because they basically just get sold straight away. So if you are looking for anything, particularly Toyota Hilux pickups, we've got some absolutely fantastic ones. So please just keep checking our website. We will be launching them in the coming couple of weeks, and then we'll be able to show you them from there. But they'll be physically all live on sale for the show. I think it's the weekend before the 22nd of July we'll launch them on our website. So keep checking from there. Okay, so we'll hopefully have another busy next week. So if there's anything you see on our website or anything you want us to look at in particular, then just give us a shout on 01904 468 514. And thanks for watching. And I'm Daniel from CH Render Independent 4x4 Specialist. Thanks now. Bye-bye.